This is a 2009 BMW 3 Series. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, xDrive, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, air vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has less than 51,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.